Hey everybody, my name's Catherine. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a video that has been a long time coming and I'm really excited. I have been trying all of these different kits for ice dye and I want to talk about the pros and cons of each and which one is my favorite. I have tried out 5 kits and I have some thoughts. The first kit I've tried is this kit. This is the least expensive of all the kits and it comes with gloves, I think 6 colors and rubber bands. The nice thing is that the colors come in these little envelopes, so you don't even have to use the bottles. I'm gonna save these bottles for maybe another project, and you can just cut them open and sprinkle. I got this kit because I did a workshop for a corporate event and they wanted to use these kits. So I got a couple of these kits and I decided to try it with ice dyeing. These kits are pretty good for tie-dye. I mean, it's not the most vibrant colors, but it's a very affordable kit. I would say this kit is not great for ice dye. The colors were really not very vibrant and they had no splits. It will work, but it's not my favorite. These little packets have the soda ash inside them, or the fixative already, so you don't have to use soda ash, which is nice. So this is like really quick and easy if you want to do ice dye with this one. But as far as like quality of color and vibrancy and splits, I don't really love this one. The next kit I'm going to be talking about is the tried and true Tulip Tie Dye Kit. I'm sure you've heard of Tulip before if you're into tie-dye. This kit is probably one of the easiest kits to find in the United States. You know, they carry it at Walmart, they carry it at Michael's, they carry it on Amazon, and it's a very good deal for the amount of colors that you get. I think that the colors are really fun and fresh and pretty. These colors also have the soda ash or fixative inside, and you don't have to use a separate step of soda ash, which is nice. I actually think that this kit is pretty darn good for tie-dye, and I have a whole playlist of tie-dye projects with Tulip if you're looking for that. Like if you're doing a project with kids, it's a really great option. And I also have a video of ice dyeing with Tulip dyes. These do okay for ice dyeing. I did not get a lot of really intense splits, but the colors were pretty vibrant compared to the other kit that I talked about. Another bonus about this kit is that it comes with a ton of bottles, and if you want to save them for other projects, you can. So I like to save these bottles for other projects. Hey you guys, so I'm editing this video right now and I realized I forgot to say all of the kits are linked down in the description box. Okay, back to the video. The third tie-dye kit I'm going to be talking about is the Jacquard Procion MX 13 color kit. I've used this kit. I've used all these kits, so they're not in like pristine condition. This kit has 13 colors that are all kind of true, pure, rainbowy type of colors, the classic Roy G. Biv. It also comes with a chocolate brown and a jet black. It comes with 2 of these big bags of soda ash, so you can really get a lot of projects out of this one. This kit is the most expensive of all of the kits that I tried, and the one thing I would say that I didn't love is that some of the colors seem really close together on the color wheel. Like there's 2 yellow colors in here that are really similar. If you're looking for like really fun, cheerful colors that split and give you really vibrant colors, this kit is great. I actually made a video about making swatches with this kit, and I have a free downloadable PDF of swatches of all of the colors in this kit. So if you want to go and check it out and see what I'm talking about with the closeness of colors, you can go to my website and download it for free. I'll put the link down in the description for you too. So this kit can also be used for tie-dye, of course, but it gets nice splits for ice dye, and if you type in ice dye to Amazon, this is one of the first ones that comes up. I just wanted to pause the video real quick and say, if you're enjoying this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. All right, back to the video. The fourth kit I'm going to be talking about is the ProChem Dye MX Reactive Dye Sampler 6-Dye Sampler. Okay, so this one is the rainbow colors, which I have done swatches and a few projects with this one, and I have videos of that on my channel if you want to check them out. So this kit is also just like a classic rainbow color. These are really high quality dyes and they get nice splits. They are very vibrant. The thing I love about this kit is that it comes with synthropol and soda ash. I used the soda ash, so it's not in here, but it comes with a healthy amount of soda ash and a little bottle of synthropol, which you don't need very much synthropol. If you're new to my channel and you've never heard me talk about synthropol, synthropol is also known as dyer's detergent, and it's really great for washing out your tie-dye, ice dye, shibori dye, any kind of dyeing. The reason it's so great is because it helps prevent the dye from transferring onto the undyed parts when you're washing your tie-dye. So if you've ever washed your tie-dye and it gets kind of like muddy, or the white parts of the resist parts of your shirt get like sort of a faint color stain of whatever colors you have on your shirt, that can be prevented by using synthropol. So I use synthropol for all my dyeing projects, and this kit comes with a little bit, so I love that. I've done a lot of projects with this kit and I still have plenty of dye, so it's really powerful and it is very vibrant. So now I'm going to talk about my favorite of all so far. This one is also by ProChem. It's the Autumn Blend Sampler. So this also comes with 6 colors, synthropol and soda ash. And I love this kit because I think the colors are just really pretty and cool. I think they're very trending. I think that they are very interesting and not so expected. So it comes with an eggplant, a chocolate brown, turkey red, Loden, which is like olive, tangerine, and another one, oh, rust. So it's very like geological. You'll get like kind of Grand Canyon type of colors, which I think is really pretty. And these colors also split really, really nicely. They're kind of more neutral tones, which I think tend to split more in my experience. I think all of these colors split really well. So if you use them all together, it's just really spectacular. I've done multiple projects with this kit and I still have quite a bit left. I have a downloadable PDF of swatches of this kit too, if you want to go and check it out on my website. I will put the link for all the downloadable swatches for you guys. So there you have it. Those are all the kits that I've tried, from my opinion, worst to best, and each one has pros and cons. I don't think any of them are like horrible, but I definitely have my favorites. Let me know down in the comments if you guys have ever used any of these kits and what you think of them. If you're interested in learning more about ice dye, I encourage you to check out my website for my online ice dye classes, where you can learn all about ice dye and get all your questions answered. All right, see you guys next time. Bye.